Na the word that I have today is the First Samuel. Niweke hapo media team. Niweke First Samuel 1:20 up to 21. Bwana sifiwe. First Samuel 1:20 21. Bwana atukuzwe. Up to 20 to some. So it came to pass in the process of time that Hannah conceived and bore a son and called his name Samuel, saying, because I have asked for him from the Lord. Bwana asifiwe. So Hannah alikuwa ameomba mtoto na Mungu aliweza kupea. 21. Now the man Elkanah and all his house went up to offer the Lord the yearly sacrifice and his vow. Bwana atukuzwe. Tunaona Hannah alipewa mtoto. Bwana asifiwe. And Elkanah and his family went to Shiloh, back to Shiloh to give sacrifice to God. Bwana atukuzwe. Asubuhi ya leo umebarikiwa na vitu mingi. Bwana atukuzwe. Umepewa watoto, you have a lot of blessing, but you take your time to go back to Shiloh and to give sacrifice to God. Bwana atukuzwe. So it is the best time to take chance to go back to the Lord and give good sacrifice. You see, God gave the best. Give the land of Eden. Abraham was blessed with a son, and then at the last day, God himself gave his only son so that we get the eternal life. Bwana atukuzwe. Kwa hivyo asubuhi ya leo jiulize, wewe hupea Mungu kilichofaa. Bwana atukuzwe. Ama unarudi mfuko unatafuta mabaki. Bwana atukuzwe. So it is your time, and you challenge yourself that whether you give God the best. Bwana atukuzwe. Mungu wa amani awabariki sana.